1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
We do a bunch of experiments. We research ways we get used in biology to better the world. It's really cool, and we do a bunch of fun stuff in there.
I spend a lot of time in here. I have every day I'm in here. So yeah, I gotta make a lot of stuff. It's I really like it, so yeah.
I didn't really know much about economics until this year, and like anything about like when we have like inflation or a recession. I think learning about the past and like that could really help me in the future.